It is time for the unthinkable modification on the Audi S5. Ain't that right, Jared? All right, guys. All right, we're at it again. All right, faction. This time, we're faction with. We have a very, very, very dirty car here with this clear bra. It's been pilling, and I've been neglecting it, pretending like this wasn't happening, but this is really, really embarrassing. But we're gonna take it off. Clean it up a little bit, see how it looks, see if this stuff comes off easily. This has been on here for five plus years. I bought this car 5 years ago, I think.
It's factory.
And I've, is it factory?
Oh, yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, so 130,000 miles later. This is a 9-year-old car at this point, so we'll see. This might just pull all the paint off, who knows? Oh. Thank you, Jarrett.
Good.
All right, let's see how it goes. Bingo, bingo. Good thing you got the gloves on, dude.
Where's your glove? Oh, it's right there.
You told me.
Good man.
Ready? Do you need heat on there?
Just get a nice solid. There we go. Get over here.
Get over here. Why aren't you helping us?
Don't worry.
You eat me? Yes.
Here, you know, my arms are longer. You pull this side, I'm pulling this.
Any bugs?
No, not you.
Not you. Only the ones who care about. Too bad, even with this film, you still got chips. Yep. But it would have been worse, John. It would have been worse. You got it, what? Got it cool, John.
Yeah. Heat her up.
Heat her up, John. I'm busy. Alright, well, it came off better than I thought it would. I was a little worried it was going to pull off a lot of paint, but there's just a lot of adhesive now. So we're going to work on getting that cleaned off. You can see that there. Get the adhesive off, then we'll give it a wash and see how it looks. Hopefully it'll eliminate this hideous line here, all that dirt collected. So, see how it goes. All right, so we were able to get the clear bra off, and I got the car washed. Let's see, it's probably pretty dark. Let me turn the flash on. There we go. All right, we got the clear bra off. It wasn't too bad, but I used a crap ton of acetone to get that adhesive off. There's still definitely some left on here, some residue that we're gonna need to buff out. But you can still see the line from where that clear bra was, and you could certainly see some of that residue that's still on the car. It doesn't look well. I guess we'll see in the sunlight, but I think it's going to be better than it was. But we're just going to need to get that buffed out. So that'll be for another day.